एक गजाल आसा की तुम्ही म्हळे की 7 जाणां कित्याक भिता काय म्हणून. नाव द काउंटर क्वेश्चन कॅन बी की तुम्ही 7 जाण तरी एकठांय आहात. आतां तुम्ही प्रत्येक खेपेक अशें कितें तरी आसतना युनायटेड ओपोजिशन बी म्हणटात. पण लास्टाक एक 4 दीस गेले ते युनायटेडय कांय उरना आनी ते कांय जाणांची तर ओपोजिशनय उरना.
See, I will tell you very straight. When I said united opposition, all the 7 of us signed on a memorandum. What was that memorandum? That we wanted an extended assembly session. We wanted white paper on Madai. We wanted ki Madaiचे एक special session जाचमु. So all of us were together on that. All the political parties signed on that. So that was signed and given in. Now, within 4 days, what changes? I am not answerable because that was I can show you the letter. All of us had the same say.
म्हणजे लेटर आणि स्पिरिट सध्या मॅच जायना ओपोजिशनाचे.
No, see, I believe that you should look at things of inclusive politics. I believe in inclusive politics. It doesn't matter from which party I come. Congress, BJP, Sogle, secondary. What is important is that we are Goans at heart first. And we have to protect our mother. And if you do exclusive politics, the result is the BJP coming into power. See, if you try to divide, then what agenda are you promoting if you're going to try to divide? Congress did this, BJP will do that. Today, the BJP is in power at the center. The BJP is in power here and the BJP is in power in Karnataka. Triple engine mare, double engine म्हणटाले triple engine तेंगे आहे. तिनी derail झाले. So why doesn't the Honorable Chief Minister come clean on that? He was supposed to take an appointment with the Prime Minister. Why is it still not taken? He was supposed, last time as joint party delegation, he was supposed to take them to, this is what I've been given to understand, to meet the Honorable Prime Minister. They meet Javadekar, the then Environment Minister. He says he's going to look into it. He comes for IFI. Then the next day he says he would write a letter. Within 5 days, he gives a green signal to Karnataka, giving them environment clearance. So Manor Parrikar was responsible in 2017 to give them a letter saying due to drinking requirements and whatever. So where is the question?
युरी बाब, आता जेन्ना ही मिटिंग जाता, तुमच्या दिल्लीचे काँग्रेसीचे लीडर ते सारखे हड्डीत धाडावन सांगतात, आम्ही केला डायव्हर्शन, आम्ही केला प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून. तर तुम्ही राजकारण करतात, तेही राजकारण करतात. काळ आमचेर न्ही हो.
अरे पहिले आम गोंयकार पहिले मरे ते काँग्रेसा पड लीडर आहे. दॅट इज द डेस्क इन चार्ज. That is not the national leader stand for the start.
Ranjit Singh Surjewala.
He is the desk in charge of Karnataka. He is the desk in charge.
And your national spokesperson also.
There he is speaking as the desk in charge of Karnataka.
National spokesperson म्हणता वेगळे उलयता. Desk in charge म्हणता वेगळे उलयता.
See, basically, my thing right from the start is let us leave our political differences back. We cannot be divided again by our political differences. It cannot happen.
Correct.
Let BJP, Congress, RG, Aam Aadmi in the interest of Goans, let all of us unite rather than dividing. Are dividing, what are you achieving?
But Yuribab, do you at least agree that your leaders also in Karnataka are playing the same politics that probably BJP leaders in Karnataka are playing?
See, the question is who is in power in Karnataka? Who is in power in Karnataka? Who is in power in the center? Who is in power in the state? What needs to be done? Who gave the DPR? The central government. Who is ruling in the central government? The BJP. The chief minister was on record in March 2020. He said that the DPR will not be given by the central government. That the prime minister holds Goa close to his heart. Now what has happened? On New Year, you give a Brijamo to gift ditai and New Christmas and Jenna New Year kehta you'll give this gift. So basically, this is the approach of the BJP. They are focused only. They are not worried about smaller states.
But don't you agree, Yuribab, that Karnatakatle politicians are completely united on this issue? And तांकां उदक आमगे उरपाक जाय for reasons best known to them and for reasons best known to us also. ते सामके एक जावन ती झगडटात रादर दॅन क्रेडीट घेवपाक सोदतात की हांवें उदक हाडलें आनी ताणें उदक हाडलें म्हणून. आमगे हांगा परिस्थिती अशी की आमी आमचे मदींच झगडटात. आमगे सोंपत ना.
Now, I agree to you. In fact, they are united. There is no doubt. For us to come united, I was the only one to suggest to the Chief Minister. You take the lead of resignations. You want to put pressure on the central government, create a constitutional crisis. Create it. I'm ready to resign also. You take the lead, resign. Make sure 33 resign with you. I will resign. And let's create that thing. That is when they will realize that a smaller state like Goa also holds importance and we are all together as Goans. Rather than, hopping Congress on BJP in that is not how it goes.
बट एक गजाल तू लक्षात सीएम म्हणटा की तुम्ही राजकारण करतात आपण मिटिंगेक आपयले तुम्ही गेलनात आपण उलोवपा आपयले तुम्ही मागीर पत्र बी धाडून दितात सो दोन्ही बाजू ताळी दोन्ही हातांनी वाजता न्ही
See, there is some protocol. When the Honorable Chief Minister called us for that meeting at 4 o'clock, before that he takes a cabinet. Outside he comes and he announces to the press all the decisions relating to Madai. If you've already decided. So ethically he had to talk to all the 40 MLAs, then take the cabinet and then do the press media briefing. There is a sequence to that. That is the correct chronology. You decide first and just call us there just for namesake to be outnumbered by 33.